Hi Armies! Good afternoon. This is your Omayel and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi ni Jungkook or one na sinabi ni Jungkook during his Weverse live yesterday. And I think this is very important that we talk about it. So by the way, this is your Omayel and during his recent Weverse live nga kahapon, he mentioned having an uncomfortable encounter nung nagpunta siya ng coffee shop wherein someone got extremely close to him and shoved the cell phone on his face while he was buying a coffee. And honestly, I think na dapat siya talagang pag-usapan. Because yes, we all love BTS. We wanna see them. We want a photo. We want a memory. Sino bang may ayaw, di ba? Kahit ako personally, kung maka-organic encounter ko si Jungkook, being a Jungkook fan, syempre, baka hindi ako makahinga. Baka hindi ako makapagsalita, mag-blurred yung paningin ko, di ba? But Armies, please know that seeing them in public or any K-pop fan, any artist, both local or international man yan, doesn't mean that we automatically have access to them. Kasi if it's a concert, a fan meeting, or an official event, that's okay because it's a fan service, right? But if they're eating, going out, walking, shopping, or simply existing as a normal human being, maybe the kindest thing that we can do is to give them space, let them breathe, let them be a human, and that's basic human decency. Because ako personally, ko ako yun, syempre, I would panic. I would cry internally. I would forget how to speak. Baka mag-blurred nga yung paningin ko tulad ng sinasabi ko. Pero I think I would rather have the memory of seeing Jungkook from afar than, make him uncomfortable just so I could get a good photo or video. You know what? A quick trivia. Nung nagpunta din ako ng Busan, I saw Jimin's dad. No joke. I mean, nakausap ko siya, nakakwentuhan ko siya. It was a good 5 to 10 minutes ng kwentuhan. Ganun siya, mahaba siya. And then I get to shake his hand. But he said no photo and no video and I respected that. Because I know Jimin's dad is just a normal person. Hindi siya artist tulad ng anak niya. And I respected that. But pinakamaganda siya because it's here in my memory. Core memory ko siya and hindi ko siya malilimutan. So, most likely, ganun din yung gagawin ko if ever I saw him one day. Kasi ako, I realize being a good fan isn't about getting a good photo or video. Minsan, it's knowing when to say, I love you, and I'll let you have this moment and I'll give you space. How about you? What do you think, Army? If you randomly saw your bias in public, what would you do? Would you approach them or take a video of them, or would you quietly, admire them from afar? Share it in the comment section. Bye!